Just like the booming popularity of mechanical keyboards, valued by gamers and typists for their tactile feedback, build quality, and customizable layouts, kitchen utensil sets are becoming essential upgrades in modern kitchens. Home cooks and chefs alike seek durability, heat resistance, non-stick compatibility, and ergonomic design. This guide evaluates the best kitchen utensil sets that offer value, function, and long-lasting performance, whether you're sautéing, flipping, or plating gourmet meals. List number: Maoist 9-piece natural teak wooden kitchen utensil set with spoon rest. For those who prefer a natural and elegant look, the Maoist 9-piece natural teak utensil set offers timeless appeal and practical functionality. Each piece is crafted from 100% natural teak wood, known for its durability, water resistance, and beautiful grain. The set includes essential tools such as spatulas, spoons, and a spoon rest, all of which are non-stick cookware, safe and resistant to heat and scratching. List number: Umite Chef Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. 15 pieces, non-stick, heat-resistant, BPA-free. This 15-piece Umite Chef Silicone Cooking Utensil Set strikes a perfect balance between variety and quality. Made from food-grade silicone that's BPA-free and heat-resistant, up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The utensils are ideal for non-stick cookware and high-temperature cooking. The set includes spoons, spatulas, a pasta server, ladle, whisk, tongs, and more. Everything you need for everyday cooking. List number: Umite Chef 33-piece non-stick silicone kitchen utensil set with holder. The 33-piece Umite Chef cooking utensil set is a comprehensive kit for any kitchen enthusiast or beginner. Designed with non-stick safe silicone heads and stainless steel cores, these tools offer flexibility, heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, and impressive durability. The set includes multiple spatulas, slotted and solid spoons, a basting brush, tongs, measuring spoons, and even a matching holder to keep your utensils organized. List number: Silicone Cooking Utensils Kitchen Utensil Set. 446 degrees Fahrenheit, heat-resistant spatulas and tools. Ideal for cooks who demand durability and safety. This silicone cooking utensil set includes a thoughtful assortment of tools made from premium-grade silicone that withstands temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The set covers all the basics: slotted turners, solid spoons, spatulas, a ladle, and more. Each crafted to be non-stick friendly and easy to grip. These utensils have a slightly softer silicone feel. List number: Umite Chef 34 PCS Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set with Grater. Complete Kitchen Toolkit. For serious home cooks or those setting up a new kitchen, the 34-piece Umite Chef Silicone Utensil Set offers the ultimate toolkit. In addition to essential cooking tools like spatulas, ladles, tongs, and whisks, it includes a grater, measuring cups, spoons, and a holder. All tools feature heat-resistant silicone heads and sturdy stainless steel handles, ensuring they can handle high-heat cooking without warping or melting.